Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota Corolla Maintenance Light 2014. Turn the key to on without starting, ensure the display shows trip A, press and hold the trip reset button, cycle the ignition off then back to on while still holding, wait for the maintenance light to flash or go out, release the button, confirm the light is reset before driving away for safety. Begin at the driver's seat with the door closed so the display is visible and stable. Turn the key to on and confirm trip A is shown. Press and hold the trip reset button firmly while you cycle the ignition to OFF then back to on, keeping pressure on the button. Watch the instrument cluster for the maintenance light to flash or disappear, then release the button and verify the reset succeeded before you drive. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab little trees, black ice for your car to avoid that stinky ride while you handle maintenance. Its scent pairs nicely with a tidy dash. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thank you for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light does not clear, try the exact sequence again and hold the reset button for a few extra seconds. Make sure the battery has good voltage and that fuses connected to the dash are intact, since electrical issues can prevent resets. If the indicator still persists after proper attempts, schedule a dealer or mechanic visit to diagnose stored codes or remaining maintenance requirements so you handle any hidden issues promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.